How to recover past tax returns. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up TurboTax and you should be finding the sign in page. You may go ahead and sign in using your credentials or create an account. Or just go ahead and sign in into your last year TurboTax account. Once you do that, you will be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, in the left side, you should be finding a menu. Go ahead and look for, from the menu, select the option called Documents. After clicking on Documents here, you will be finding all of the documents from your last year. If you can't find it, you may drop down this timeline option. This one with the year. View documents from, drop it down and select the year from which you would like to view the tax receipts from. Once you go ahead and do that, here you will be finding all of the tax and everything. So all you gotta do in order to download is, after selecting it, you will be finding a download option at the top. Go ahead and click on it, and that's it. Otherwise, head over to Tax Home, and there also you will be finding year and everything, and you may select up the document from that and select up download from that option as well, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.